Upgrading the door latch is one of the most effective steps to make a door kick-in proof because the latch often fails long before the deadbolt or door itself does. Start by choosing a latch and strike plate made from hardened steel and rated for security, not just decorative hardware. Remove the existing strike plate and enlarge the mortise in the frame so the new plate sits flush and transfers force into the framing jamb rather than just the thin face of the frame. Replace the short factory screws with screws at least 3 inches long so they reach the solid stud behind the jamb. This simple change redirects impact forces into structural framing. Verify the latch mechanism itself is a 1-inch throw for a deadbolt and a fully reinforced latch for the handle set. Shallow or worn bolts can pop out under lateral load. If the door edge or frame is split or soft, reinforce the edge with a steel latch guard or a hidden reinforcement plate that wraps into the jamb and attaches into framing. After installation, test by applying steady force to the door near the lock area while an assistant watches the strike engagement. Any visible gap, twisting, or pullout indicates the need for longer screws or additional reinforcement. Common mistakes include relying solely on the deadbolt and ignoring the latch and strike because people assume the deadbolt carries all the load, so add a reinforced strike and long screws to share the force. Another issue is using decorative or thin strike plates that bend or tear out. Replace them with heavy-duty plates designed to distribute impact into the frame and studs. A third frequent problem is poor installation, where the strike is not deeply seated or the screw holes miss framing. Correct this by enlarging the mortise, realigning the strike with the bolt, and driving 3-inch screws into the stud to ensure the plate cannot pull free. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who can install reinforced strikes, long screws, and latch guards correctly and efficiently. And we also help contractors find work from people ready to upgrade home security. We host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share experiences, installation tips, and product recommendations to make your door as resistant to forced entry as practical.